Plan management is where you'll be able to organize your plans. Before we dive into plan management, I'd like to point out that there's a new drop-down that you'll see on the rest of the tool pages. This drop-down allows you to navigate around your project without having to return to the dashboard. It'll be in the same place on every tool page going forward. After having uploaded your plans, you'll be able to preview them and make any adjustments you need. For example, you'll be able to view full-size versions, rotate them left and right, and delete them. To begin the tour of plan management, let's talk about project sets. You can think of sets as floors on your project. For your average house, you'd create one set per floor. If your plans are broken out into quadrants, you'd want to create 4 individual sets for each floor. For example, first floor north, and so on. For this particular project, there are only 2 distinct floors, so I'll go ahead and create those sets. Once you've created these sets, you can begin to organize your plans. To organize your plans, simply drag and drop them into their corresponding sets. After you've done this, you can view your individual sets and begin classifying your plans with plan types. Let's take a look at the first floor. Now that we've both created sets and dragged plans into their corresponding sets, we can discuss the Plan Management toolbar navigation. The top section is titled Unsorted Plans. Anytime you upload plans into a project, they'll be here by default. As you can see, this section is now empty because we dragged all the plans we uploaded into the first and second floor. If you view the sorted section, you'll see all your plans laid out in their corresponding sets. To begin classifying our plans, let's revisit the first floor. As you can see, all of our plans have drop-downs above them, and they're all currently labeled as unspecified. When you upload plans, they're classified as unspecified by default. If you click this drop-down, you'll see various construction trades. Classify your plans with their corresponding trades. If you've got a plan type that's not listed in the drop-down, just leave it as unspecified, as I've done with this plan sheet that shows lighting data. As you classify your plans, you'll notice the categories becoming unavailable going forward. This is because you can only have one plan type per set. Because I've already selected an electrical plan, that option is no longer available. You can have as many unclassified plans as you'd like per set. Now that we've given all of our plans plan types, let's go to the next step, alignment. Alignment is where you'll be correcting for any plan sheets you've uploaded that have different margins. Many times this step may be unnecessary, but if you've got plans drafted by different project team members, such as architects and engineers, they may have different margins. Before we begin, let's discuss the alignment page navigation. At the top of the page, you can go back to your set by clicking the link with the back arrow. To the right of that is the Save button. If you make any changes to your plan's alignment, you'll need to hit Save before leaving this page. To the right of that are the Zoom buttons. To navigate around your plans, simply click and drag. To align your plans, you'll need to select an additional plan. By default, we align against your architectural plan. Because of this, to use the alignment tool, you'll need to have an architectural plan in your set. Once you're ready to align, simply click another plan on the left-hand side. As you can see here, our electrical plan is already aligned, so we don't need to do anything. As we move down onto structural, you'll notice it's misaligned. To correct for this, simply click the unlock icon and drag your plans until it matches your architectural plan. If you want to do micro adjustments, you can use these nudge buttons. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, click the lock icon again and check the rest of your plans. Once you're satisfied with all your alignments, click Save and return to Plan Management and align any other sets you may have. Once all your sets are properly aligned, you're ready to learn about Dynamic View.